Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something that might just be the future of robotics, the all-new Tesla humanoid robot. Now, we all know Tesla for its groundbreaking electric cars, but Elon Musk's company has just taken a massive leap into the world of humanoid robots with the Optimus bot. And trust me, this is something completely different from what we've seen before. So what makes Tesla's humanoid robot so unique? Let's break it down. First off, let's talk about the design. While other humanoid robots have been around for years, think Honda's Asmo or Boston Dynamics' Atlas, Tesla's Optimus is different. Unlike its predecessors, which were focused more on showcasing strength, agility, and advanced mechanics, the Optimus is designed for everyday tasks. It's built to be both useful and approachable. Elon Musk and the Tesla team are all about utility. Optimus is created with the goal of handling repetitive tasks that would normally require human workers. Think about things like moving boxes, picking up groceries, or even helping with basic household chores. The big vision here is for Optimus to eventually assist in factories, warehouses, and even homes, replacing dangerous, repetitive labor with an intelligent and capable bot. Another major point is its advanced AI integration. We already know Tesla's cars are powered by some of the most sophisticated AI and self-learning software on the planet. And they're bringing that same tech to Optimus. This means that the robot doesn't just follow pre-programmed instructions. It can learn from its environment, adapt to new tasks, and even optimize its movements over time. It's almost like having a self-aware assistant that is continuously learning. Then there's the affordability factor. Unlike other humanoid robots, which can cost millions of dollars, Musk has hinted that the Optimus bot could be priced at around $20,000. That's way more accessible compared to other industrial-grade robots or robotic systems. The idea is that these bots could be affordable enough for everyday businesses or even homes, creating a whole new market for personal or workplace robotics. But what really sets the Tesla humanoid robot apart is its potential for scalability. Tesla's already mastered mass production with electric cars, and the company is hoping to apply the same principles to Optimus. This means they're aiming to make these robots in large numbers at relatively low cost. So, if Tesla succeeds, we could see a lot of these bots everywhere, from factories to hospitals to your local supermarket. So to sum it up, the Tesla humanoid robot is unique because of its practical design, its use of cutting-edge AI, its affordability, and the potential for mass production. This could be the start of a revolution where robots aren't just sci-fi fantasies. They're real, tangible helpers that could change the way we live and work. What do you think? Could we see these robots in our homes or workplaces in the near future? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates on tech and innovation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.